Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Stellar XLM becomes base layer for trillion-dollar stablecoin market, revolutionizing real-time payments. Industry experts at the World of Web3 Summit forecast widespread use of regulated stablecoins by 2030. Competition between centralized and decentralized financial structures will characterize the next decade, with regulated stablecoins expected to thrive in the blockchain ecosystem. At the World of Web3 Summit held in Hong Kong, a host of experts in digital regulatory landscapes discussed the pivotal role that regulated stablecoins are expected to play in the financial sector by 2030. This panel, titled Digital Assets, Policies and the Road Ahead, emphasized the potential and current growth rate of the stablecoin market as a key indicator of this anticipated dominance. Alexandra Sasha, a proponent of blockchain technology and innovation, and the first deputy to the Danish parliament, highlighted the duality of demands in the digital era. According to Sasha, there are those who favor a centralized digital paradigm and others who champion the decentralized approach. Sasha expressed confidence in the future growth of regulated stablecoins, acknowledging that the potential of regulatory prohibition doesn't seem to be a prevalent concern. Kelvin Lester Lee, the commissioner of the Securities Exchange Commission of the Philippines, although unsure about the thriving nature of regulated digital assets by 2030, affirmed their continued existence, possibly in transformed versions. Douglas Arner, a professor at the University of Hong Kong specializing in the intersection of finance and technology regulation, echoed similar sentiments. Arner projected the upcoming decade as a period of fierce competition between centralized and decentralized methods, both in the crypto ecosystem and the metaverse context. He predicted a spectrum of diverse structures by the end of the decade, with regulated stablecoins likely becoming the dominant monetary instrument within blockchain applications. Regulation of cryptocurrencies globally is gradually gaining momentum, with an increasing consensus around the requirements for fiat-backed stablecoin arrangements. Governments and industry are converging on standards necessary for stablecoins to play a fundamental role in payments and financial services, ensuring true stability. Areas like the European Union and the United Kingdom are leading the path towards a more regulated stablecoin environment. The EU is close to establishing a comprehensive framework for crypto regulation focusing on stablecoins, while the UK government proposed measures last year to regulate fiat-backed stablecoins. The United States seems to be making strides too, displaying signs of progress in enacting stablecoin legislation. The Financial Stability Board is set to release its recommendations on the regulation, supervision, and oversight of global stablecoin arrangements in July. G20 finance ministers and central banks have also begun discussions on internationally coordinated rules for cryptocurrencies, particularly stablecoins. These progressive moves are seen as pivotal in fostering competition, innovation, and consumer protection while maximizing the potential of stablecoins in revolutionizing global payments. Price prediction. Stellar price today is $0.092560 with a 24-hour trading volume of $104.65 million. Market cap of $2.48 billion, and market dominance of 0.22%. The XLM price increased 2.52% in the last 24 hours. Stellar price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 1, 2023 at 1700 hours, the general Stellar price prediction sentiment is neutral, with 19 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 13 signaling bearish signals. XLM price prediction was last updated on June 1, 2023, at 1700. Stellar key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.091670, Stellar has support levels of $0.090411, $0.088336, and the strongest at $0.087077. Similarly, Stellar resistance levels are at $0.093746, $0.095004, and $0.097080. Stellar reached its highest price on January 4, 2018 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.930121, while Stellar's lowest price was recorded on November 18, 2014 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.001227. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.027660, cycle low. The highest XLM price since the last cycle low was $0.796465, cycle high. The Stellar price prediction sentiment is currently neutral, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 52, neutral. Stellar's current circulating supply is 26.79 BXLM out of max supply of 50.00 BXLM. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 7.49%, meaning 1.87 BXLM were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Stellar is currently ranked number 1 in the Stellar network sector and ranked number 15 in the Layer 1 sector. Stellar is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 26 days, since May 5, 2023. The price of Stellar is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 41 days, since April 21, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 10 days ago, on May 22, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on April 14, 2023, which was 48 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Stellar's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0.096089 by July 1, 2023. Stellar's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.088846 by July 1, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 58.47, which indicates that the XLM market is in a neutral position. According to our current Stellar price prediction, the value of Stellar is predicted to rise by 0.4% and reach $0.092932 by June 6, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 52, neutral. Stellar recorded 50% green days with 2.18% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Stellar forecast, it's now a good time to buy Stellar. Comparing Stellar against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Stellar price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Stellar price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, XLM price prediction for year 2026 is $2.82 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Stellar would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.323865. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.